We are in Port St. Joe, and we just launched out of the dock here, and we're going to go. Port St. Joe, trying to navigate this little tricky area here, and we're going to go to Cape San Blas this morning, me and Bio Chica, and hopefully we can navigate these waters and get out there and do some fishing this morning. That's right.
4 foot, yes. Oh. That looks good.
Yep.
Look at him.
Yes, he's pretty heavy.
I haven't seen a flounder in forever.
Yep. Okay, we'll let him go.
Forever.
Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
It's nice. Yeah. All right, let's put her back in the water.
All right. Go ahead. I'll watch it. Hold on to the. Just pull it. There you go. She's gone. Yay! Look at you.
I've never caught a flounder before. Gosh, that's great. It's the first week of June, and it's like 70 something degrees out. I got 2 shirts on.
We're heading back in. We had a good little morning. Wasn't great, but it was fun. A new area to fish. And Bio Chica caught her a flounder today, and we caught lots of bluefish. And,
I better get to the truck. Who's gonna beat me there?